Got some micros here. I took some NQ micros, rally up, trying to get fill here again. We coming in here to momentum setup. 1105. All right, we got the pre-euro close. We're gonna rally it up, all right, and then we take it down. Okay, it's all gonna come down in the field. So give it time to work. Got 3 micros on. We're gonna try to get some E-minis as we get deep into the zone. It's Friday, so anything could happen. All right, so he's deep into the zone. I put one at 51, 52 right here. See if he come and get us. Okay, see if we could get a drop now, guys. It's 1107. All right, might get a little spunky here at the 1115. But let me see if we get a drop now, okay? I'm gonna add here, guys. All right. I want to have like 5 of these guys, so. Guys, we're coming in here to 1110. All right. I ain't get a flush yet. Should get it soon. Should start getting a pullback. Maybe to take it kind of forming here nicely around the cloud here on NQ here to come down. I got 2 NQ E-mini going. We up 245. All right. I gotta take one off here. All right. And just keep a runner, okay? So we lock in a profit there. The micros are coming out nicely. Look, here comes the drop, bro. Come on, drop. Come on, rock. This is the pre-euro. See my label? So rally up. We take it down 11.15, 11.20. You're going to get a little bouncy. It may come back, test this trend line, and then drop. That's the play, guys. That's the play. All right? Pre-euro close into the close. Okay? So they're usually going to try to pop it up back again. Back to this trend line here. Maybe they come back to the open and then they take it down hard. That's the play. Here we come. Come on. Well, no, what time is it? Got to get my clock to work. My clock is not working. It's 11:12 now, guys. It's Friday. Anything could happen, all right? Tried to get my clock to work, and I can't get it to work. I know what's happening. It's not finding it. See how to pop it up back here as we get into 11:15, 11:20, and then they're going to take it down, right? So don't panic yet. If it beats us, we have until 11:45. Okay. See how it touched the VWAP 3 times? Bam, bam, back to the trend line twice. So now let me see if we could close this candle here. This candle need to close. And then the next candle needs to break through the VWAP. If you break through the VWAP, it's a home run, right? Look at the NQ. See that? 215 on the second one. It's going to be a nice trade, guys. I'm holding that NQ. I might give up some, but I'm holding. Maybe this could be a home run. Let me see. With NQ, you never know. Here we come. See that? Blow through the VWAP, close above the VWAP, spike candle, come back 50% of the body of the candle, and then the next candle open below, and we get a fallout. That's what I'm hoping for. All right. Bam. See? Close below, and next one open. Come on. You need to close below the VWAP. Look, it come and touch the VPOC here too. Look. This is the VPOC right here, guys. You touch the VPOC. So going to be a little jumpy here, but we got a VWAP, we got point of control. We get a little weird, all right? But eventually, we should come tumbling down into 1130. It's 1116 now. Come on. We need to break hard and fast. Well, I'm talking through the trader, but it's not listening to me. But pretty price action. I mean, if you could read candle formation, understand your body of your chart, you could make some good predictions. All right. So we beat God bomb. I'll back up with the VWAP. It's 11. What time is it now? Yeah, 11:16. So 11:17, 11:16. Bam. But eventually, I think this close and we get a fallout. Come on, guys. Don't make me a liar. This is the problem here. We got to get through the VPOC. And we got yesterday value area. Bam. Through the VPOC. Come on. Break, break, Charlie. Break, break. Get a very, very whippy, man. So it's 11:20, right? No, 11:17. Come on. Drop, brother, drop. Okay. NQ working nice. We up 240 on the last one. I think, you know what, guys? Bam, here we go. We need to drop a little more and then I'm out. Why am... Nah, he ain't doing squat. All right. Still think we got a little more downside here. Might pop it up back a little, but I think eventually they're going to take it down. All right. So we come up back above the VWAP. All right. And if it pop up anywhere, guys, we in a down. We still in an uptrend in the 2 minute. The 1 minute we still in an uptrend. So if we come back anywhere here, you short it. All right. If you're not in the trade. Okay. So it got right into the zone. I'm adding in that zone. I'm adding in that zone, guys. I'm adding in that zone. Okay. Then look for the pullback again. Adding in the zone. Adding in the zone. See, candles like these are great when you get long wick candles in the zone. A long wick alone, you could get 40 ticks. Long wick, come back to the body of the candle and then drop like a rock. Okay? So we rally up again. All right, turn a little trend candle switch here. All right. Could come back and test the zone again. Let these trades run until 11:30. Right? If we get the big drop at 11:30, we take the win and we run. We don't wait till 11:45. So with NQ, I told you, it ran up into the zone. I add another one. I'm up 205, 285. I'm taking one off here again. So just leave a runner again. So we just maximizing our profit there, guys. Look at the NQ. 7 contracts. Look at that. I told you guys, as we get up into the zone, if you don't have a trade, you take the trade. Right? Looking for the drop. Not worry about the E-minis, am I right? I scalp the NQ. The NQ would pay, am I right? So he comes up back up here again. I add in the zone, right? Becoming meaningful up into the zone, I would add again, okay? But for now, that's it. Micro traders, look at the micros. Now it's 11:21. We're coming into the close. We're coming into the close here, guys. And get very repeat now too, right? As we get into the close, it's gonna get real whippy, okay? See, 11:22 is how whippy it got. See, there's just normal price act, 2-minute chart, 1-minute chart. All right, they're very whippy. Hikadashi candles on this chart and on this chart. This is our VWAP chart. Oh, let me look at the RTY, guys. So, can't do nothing. YM can't do nothing. He's in a zone here. A zone above, zone below. He can't do squat in here. Can't make no money. But we have 2 micros on, and they play, and they're up like 17 bucks. But the E-mini got zones above and zone below. All right. And Q, the one is still holding, still holding. We need to break. See how this play out now. This is YM. All right. See 11:23. Gonna get real whippy here. All right. Look at this. How much time we could get out of this? How whippy it gets. You see? Look. Just get real whippy. See? That's coming into the close, guys. 11:30 is the euro close. All right. We look to short it at 11 o'clock. I manage it into 11:30. If we get beat, we hold till 11:45 to 12 o'clock into the settlement. All right. But the E-mini working real nice. So yeah, and get whippy here, so don't panic. All right. So, okay, here we come, guys. This is the drop. It's 11:24. Okay, let's scale out here now because at 11:30 it can get very whippy. Okay, I try to scale out here, guys. And get very whippy. Okay. Okay, we got 4. We'll take another one here. Another one here. All right. Another one here. Okay, the one micro is doing real well. I'm taking this off for the win, guy. I get $400 here. Let me see if we get 400. Okay. 400. Come on, 400, 400. Bam, 425. We out. Just make like $700 there, guys. Scale in, scale out, scale in, scale out. And we got paid, bro. Okay. We got paid. So we got here, we only got one remaining. Yeah, we could let one. Bam! Look, oh man. Look at the end. YM. Love this trade. I'm gonna take my YM off here. Take off one. So we just got one each. I think we're gonna pop up back a little here, right? So you could watch it. Watch what's happening, guys. Show you guys what usually happen. 11:26. We can get a little pop up back, right? Love this trade. This is my signature play. Pre-euro, euro close settlement. All the European market time frames. This Friday we got the drop. You know what? I take off this for a win here. Take off this for a win. We done, bro. Done. Work best today. Work good today. Len, you there? Alex? No? Love this. I love this setup. It's a great setup. So understanding price action. We come into 11:30, we get this pop up close to 11:30. Then we could take it down again. That's like any close, right? Any coming into the New York close same time. You have most of the imbalance happening at that time. All right. Look how to pop it up back here now. See that? It's 11:27. The pop it right back up. Or you could take it down if they come up back to the VWAP into 11:45 and still make some cash. Okay? But you don't need to do squat, right? That was why. I mean, you don't really need to do nothing. You make your money, you don't force your hand. We have a demand zone here that was tested. Let me take off this level here. Oh. It was one of my targets, but we're out already, so we don't need to do anything more, guys. If anything come up, we look for next trade. But why even force it, right? Big picture analysis, guy. I don't know if I show you guys this, but I short the market last night where we had yesterday the trend closed below 45, 0.45. This guy was at 6 to 4. And that happened when you get that alignment, you look for that pullback, all right? So last night I make $1,500 based on the setup. I had to put on big contracts. I had to put on a lot of contracts to make that happen. I trade YM, one NQ, and one micro NQ. Make $1,500 plus. Just looking at my big time frame analysis. Oh, one key thing here is this is what I look at. I look to see how the European market is trading at nights. And this is what we were looking at. Look at the European market. Closing out. Look at Hang Seng. Look what happened with China. Right? India was up. Hong Kong was up. Everybody else were down. That set the stage for the US futures market, right? We look on the future side. This is what we got. India, all right, was a bright spot. Everybody else is red. We look at the yield. He rally up. All right, see that? Interest rate goes up. When that happened, when the yield rally, what happened, guys? It's not a magic question. Bonds get clobbered. Look at bonds. See? 10-year and 30-year. See that? If that goes up, other things you look at. So this guy rallied 2 days ago. Yesterday, he rallied to a 10-week high. when the yield rally, sometimes it sends a signal that inflation is sticking up also, right? So if we go here and we look and see what the dollar's doing, look, dollar up, yield up. One thing we could look at, we could look to see how bank stocks are holding up. All right. Look at Apple. I got an iron condor on Apple. It's working nice. All right. MasterCard and Visa's up. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs is down. So they're trading mix. I think Apple will come back to 140 anyhow. Guys, I created something last night. I get an email from barchart.com. And they usually give you, based on their analysis, stocks that is be moving, right? So I kind of put this here, so I want to track something with these stocks, right? I want to track. Yes, all these stocks were red. These guys were up big, right? So we need to watch these stocks. I need to go through and learn how to use their analysis on this system. They got something called flip chart. Apparently show you consistency. Bitcoin, look. Bitcoin stocks. Guys have a relationship to Bitcoin. Bitcoin get clobbered. Look what happened, boy. MicroStrategy, look. See that? Chinese government saying Bitcoin should be banned. And this is what happened. All right. Just take it down, guys. It's at 40K now. I mean 42K. This was down this morning close to 4K. Recover a little. Yeah, guys. So that's my recap there. Happy Friday. Might look for something later, but not doing nothing now. Till 1:30.